mountains tremble, the earth gives way, but my heart won't falter. I know the truth. Jesus, my anchor, my unshaken root. Storms may howl, shadows may rise, still I see light. It breaks the sky. Jesus, my shelter, I stand firm. Through the fire I will not burn. Rock of ages, strong and pure. Jesus, my shelter, I stand secure. Rivers rising, they flood the land, but I'm held steady by His hand. Enemies gather, their voices loud, but I am safe in the holy crowd. Trials may come, fears may invade, but His love stays, it never fades. Jesus, my shelter, I stand firm. Through the fire I will not burn. Rock of ages, strong and pure. Jesus, my shelter, I stand secure. Morning light, it kisses my face. Your grace surrounds me in every place. The rhythm of mercy, it never fades. When the world feels heavy, pulling me down, I hear your voice, a healing sound. Your love lifts me higher, higher. Your love lifts me higher, higher. Oh, it sets my soul on fire, higher. Your love lifts me higher, higher. Through the valleys, through the storm, your arms are the shelter, keeping me warm. The mountains tremble, your power is born. When shadows whisper, filling me with doubt, your light breaks through. I'm called out. Your love, Your fire burns, it burns, it burns. Chains may rattle, but they won't bind. Your love frees both heart and mind. Light in the darkness, guide me. Oh, light in the darkness, guide me. Oh, through the storm, through the fight, be my flame, be my side. Mountains high, but I will climb. Shadows fall, yet there's a sign. Through the storm, I see your hand, guiding me to promised land. I was lost, you found my soul. Your light burns and makes me whole. You make a way today, through the night, through the fray. Oh, you make a way today. Hallelujah, I will say hallelujah. You make a way today, through the night, through the fray. Oh, you make a way today. Hallelujah, I will say. Rivers deep, but I will swim, even when my strength is thin. Chains are breaking, walls must fall. Your love rises over all. I was blind, you gave me sight. Now I walk in holy light. Oh, Colors blaze, I hear the rhythm, feel the praise. Mountains bow, oceans sway. Every breath, a brand new day. Oh, light that breaks the darkest night. Oh, hope that sets the soul alight. Name above name, be praised. Forever and always you stay. Name above name, be praised. You carry the world, you make a way. The rain falls, it sings your song. The earth hums, your power strong. Hearts awaken, chains undone. The victory's here, the battle won. Oh, grace that lifts the weary high. Oh, love that never says goodbye. Name above names, be praised. Forever and always you stay. Name above names, be praised. You carry the world, you make a way. I woke to life, spilling gold. The storm is past, my heart's consoled. The rhythm of grace, it pulls me close. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Sing it now, sing it loud, hallelujah. Mountains bow, the seas rejoice. Creation hums with heaven's voice. Each breath I take, a reason to dance. Can you feel the fire rise? Lift your hands to the sky. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Overflows, hallelujah. Overflows, hallelujah. Let it flow, let it grow. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Joy overflows, hallelujah. The choir sings, the spirit moves. Chains are breaking, love renews. Glory shines, it fills the room. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Joy overflows. see the sky. I hear the thunder call my name. Oh, but your light cuts through the rain. Every fear, every doubt, you chase them out. I run to you, safe and sound. Your love's the shelter I have found. I run to you, safe and sound. Your arms the rock where I am bound, where I am bound. The ground may shake, the earth may spin, but peace begins where you begin. No shadow stands, no dark can win. Your mercy breaks the weight of sin. Every chain, every wall, you break them all. I run to you, safe and sound. Oh, your love's the shelter I have found. I run to you, safe and sound. Oh, your arms the rock where I am bound, where I am bound. Raise it to the rhythm, so much gear, grind the skin. Come on. The waves rise high, they reach my knees. Dark clouds whisper, they aim to cease. But I hear your voice like a melody sweet. You love a rhythm, steady beneath my feet. Oh, the storm may roar, but your light restores. Your promise stands, I won't fear. Well, yeah. Through the fire you draw near. Your promise stands, I won't fear. No chains, no tears. No tears. Yeah. Yeah, la, la, la. Yeah, la, la, la. Oh, oh, oh. The night feels long, no stars above. breaking thunder in my chest. Heart beats louder, can't find my rest. Mountains crumble, rivers rise. Still I search the open skies. Hands to the heavens, tears in my eyes. Give me shelter where mercy lies. Rock of ages, carry me through the fire. gives way, but my heart won't falter. I know the truth. Jesus, my anchor, my unshaken root. Storms may howl, shadows may rise, still I see light. It breaks the sky. Jesus, my shelter, I stand firm. Through the fire I will not burn. Rock of ages, strong and pure. Jesus, my shelter, I stand secure. Rivers are rising, they flood the land, but I'm held steady by His hand. Enemies gather, their voices loud, but I am safe in the holy crowd. Trials may come, fears may invade, but His love stays, it never fades. Jesus, my shelter, I stand firm. Through the fire I will not burn. Rock of ages, strong and pure. Jesus, my shelter, I stand secure. Morning light, it kisses my face. Your grace surrounds me in every place. The rhythm of mercy, it never fades. When the world feels heavy, pulling me down, I hear your voice, a healing sound. Your love lifts me higher, higher. Your love lifts me higher, higher. Oh, it sets my soul on fire, higher. Your love lifts me higher, higher. a sign. Through the storm I see your hand, guiding me to promised land. I was lost, you found my soul. Your light burns and makes me whole. You make a way today, through the night, through the fray. Oh, you make a way today. Hallelujah, I will say hallelujah. You make a way The storm is loud, the waves are high. The night's too thick to see the sky. I hear the thunder call my name. Oh, but your light cuts through the rain. Every fear, every doubt, you chase them out. I run to you, safe and sound. Your love's the shelter I have found. I run to you, safe and sound. Your arms the rock where I am bound, where I am bound. The ground may shake, the earth may spin, but peace begins where you begin. No shadow stands, no dark can win. Your mercy breaks the weight of sin. Every chain, every wall, you clouds breaking thunder in my chest. Heart beats louder, can't find my rest. Mountains crumble, rivers rise. Still I search the open skies. Hands to the heavens, tears in my eyes. Give me shelter where mercy lies. Rock of ages, carry me through the fire. Mountains bow, oceans sway. Every breath a brand new day. Oh, light that breaks the darkest night. Oh, hope that sets the soul alight. Name above name, be praised. Forever and always you stay. Name above name, be praised. You carry the world, you make a way. The rain falls, it sings your song. The earth hums, your power strong. Hearts awaken, chains undone. The victory's here, the battle won. Oh, grace that lifts the weary high. Oh, love that never says goodbye. Name above names, be praised. Forever and always you stay. Name above names, be praised. You carry the world, you make a way. I woke to life, spilling gold. The storm is past, my heart's consoled. The rhythm of grace, it pulls me close. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Sing it now, sing it loud. Hallelujah. Mountains bow, the seas rejoice. Creation hums with heaven's voice. Each breath I take, a reason to dance. Can you feel the fire rise? Lift your hands to the sky. Joy overflows, hallelujah. Overflows, hallelujah. Overflows, hallelujah. Let it flow, let it grow. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Joy overflows, hallelujah. The choir sings, the spirit moves. Chains are breaking, love renews, glory shines.